occasionally in the interior of your Airstream, a pop rivet will break and you'll see a little hole in the interior. Well, here's the good news. It's really easy to fix this, and all you need are two things. You need a rivet tool, like this one we sell in the Airstream Life store, and you need some rivets. In particular, you need pop rivets. Now this tool, I've already put the correct bit on it, and there are extra bits here in this particular wrench that we sell. And what I'm going to do is put this long end is called the mandrel. You stick the mandrel in the front there, and we're going to replace our pop rivet. Now, you notice this blue painter's tape. We've put this here because we're protecting the area around the pop rivet. Sometimes the tool will give a little kick and it may scratch the aluminum, and you do not want to have scratched aluminum inside your Airstream, of course. So that's why we put this tape. We put 2 or 3 layers down, about 2 or 3 inches around the pop rivet. Now, I'm going to go up here and put the rivet in the hole. And I like to hold the tool like this where I can really get a good grip on it, like with my right hand here. And the other side, I'm going to pump the tool, but I've got to make sure that you squeeze the tool all the way so that it really makes the pop rivet go in, and you'll hear a pop in the end. It usually takes a few pumps, so here we go. And there we go. There's your pop rivet.